Hello, this is J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this free sample provided by Home and Earth. So it is a duffel bag. Mine is color pink, and here it has a customized name. So this is the name of the bride. This is a great gift for a bridal shower or for the bride to give the bridesmaids. Here you're able to fit everything that you need for that special day. So this is how it looks in the bag. As you can see here, you can put here some shoes. This is plastic. Inside, you have a lot of space with different pockets. And here you have the strap if you wanna like carry over. And the buckles are in gold, in like a gold rose. This is beautiful actually. So this is for the shoes, and here you have more pockets. Here you can put your shoes or your sandals, your slippers. This is also great if you're going to travel. um Here, this is how it looks here. Like you can go all the way down, and you see this is great because you can clean this too. So the measurements very important: 18.5, and here is 9.6. So this is great. I love the color. I love the presentation. This is a great gift for a bride. They have a lot of colors. I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching.